Sup people? Hey, it's running. Um, Let me see this a little bit. I should be running. Just let me check. Okay, fire in what's up, it's Blaze. Finally back after days, 2 days actually of not trading. Although yesterday I uploaded a video where you can watch where I was selling my journal trading software and my investor app, which will allow you to search deeply stocks, and with an AI implemented, you can whether it will tell you whether to buy, to hold, or even to sell a stock. It's actually a good thing because a lot of people don't even actually invest. Well, the thing is, most people don't even trade, and also majority of people don't even invest. So it's actually a good thing to get them to to trade a little bit, and it will be a great thing. But I mean, everyone can use it. As I said, I am an investor as well, and I recommend you to invest. It will be a great thing. Okay, I'm still running. Okay. Let me check. Perfect. Perfect. So, okay. So, let's get straight to it. I'm still doing a project, people. I will bring you a new project you will like. I already made your website where you can make a journal. It could actually be a web app, but I already brought you another app. It's mobile, and you can use it as well on the website. Investor, which is Flames and Phoenix. The next software, you'll like it. You truly like it. Well, let's get right into it. I'm still hurting. No, it's a joke. I'm not hurting from 5 days. I mean, it happened. What's supposed to happen is what it is. That's it. That's trading, man. Get over it. The truth is, that day wasn't supposed to be a trade, and today it's looking like the same. It's not a day to trade. Simple. There's no setup. You don't trade. Follow your plans, and it will be everything good. You don't have to trade every single day. And just because you don't want to see a red day, I know. Sorry. Just because you want to miss a day doesn't mean you have to trade. I don't know if that works now. The thing is, most of the times, because we don't want to see a red day, we want to overtrade. We want to get back to it, and guess what? Ends up happening. You end up burning the account. So it is what it is, people. I'm gonna do it about this hour only. Truth no more. Okay. Let me check where it was. Yeah, here. Okay, so the range I'm gonna use today is gonna be this one. Not the lowest one to the highest one. Not this is gonna be this one. Because I don't think our price is gonna get to that level. I really don't. I think this is gonna be the range for today. Okay. This is the volume area high. Well, this is actually the range, but I mean today has been what? I'm sorry I couldn't make it 3 p.m. exactly. Mondays I just get from school at 2 p.m. I have to eat. I have like half an hour from the center of the city, so it's actually kind of complicated to do it on time. But don't worry, I mean, it's only Mondays. Still grinding, still hustling. Everything I have to do. Okay, wait. Oh, sorry. Okay. So it's looking good. It doesn't matter if I don't trade today. I mean, if there's no condition, I just checked the news and there was nothing to happen. Today looks like an acceptance day, but I just know it's not going to be an acceptance. I mean, where confluence is for a bearish for a better gap. I bearish, sorry, for a rejection. There's a big bearish for a better gap. This is on the confluences. I mean, this could be a reason to not trade, but there's no order block, so you gotta be careful with that. Let me check it. 5 minutes. No, there's nothing. The only thing is in fair value gap. I don't really think that price is gonna get up there. I think that price is gonna liquidate a little bit and make an acceptance, but then go straight to, because at the end we are 4.8, we're still a price where it's actually premium, and we got down, started here, push a little bit. I mean, we're bullish today, it's very bullish today. Look at the movement. Everything is telling me that this is just, for me what could happen is acceptance. Okay, you have acceptance, taking all this low, this high, maybe going down again, filling orders inside of the VAH, on top of the VAH, bottom area high, end of the range, and then to imbalance again and rebalance and make a new balance. So it could be an acceptance and going back to making you think it's going to be a rejection to take out the traders and then go back. Okay, I don't know why YouTube is not working. It should be working. Oh, this is a good thing. Okay, I don't know why is it not. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm gonna create a new key to I'm gonna create it, and I have to paste it actually on YouTube. Well, let me go to the 8 p.m. Okay, wait. Oh no. Yeah, this one. Sorry. Okay, now, it should be going now. You good? Finally. Sorry for the YouTube. Fire in. I'm making the same thing. Another intro. Firing is Blaze. Okay, so actually it's running now, but I cannot see it. Now I can see it. Sorry. I don't know why it was not working. Now it is. Okay, so I think we're going to an acceptance. I'm going to wait, and that's it. If I don't see a place to be, this is my setup. Simple, no overcomplication. AMT, bone profile. Although bone profile, or order flow in TradingView is not order flow. It's actually trash. The only reason I have it is just a practice. But I already said it before. This is not real data. Actually, this one is lagging. The real price is lagging in gold. But I mean, that's it. If you cannot pay for software, if you're not willing to pay for software, then you have to use TradingView, which is not bad, but don't expect to be premium, premium software. Guys, going very up. It is an acceptance. It will be an acceptance. The thing is, I know it will make a rejection. The thing is, when it makes a rejection, will it be a rebalance, going back to your old balance, or would just be to confirm the acceptance and continue with the imbalance? It's like this. Price can go up, take up this low, take up all these highs, sorry, not lows. And when you make the rejections, most people will think, okay, the rejection was here because price is really high. It's actually a very good price to sell, right? It is. I mean, it is a good price to sell. 8.5, 850, 4.8, sorry. It's a good price to sell. The thing is, when it goes to rejection, most people would think, okay, if you're gonna enter here, if you didn't enter from this high, maybe would it be a continue of that rejection and going again with imbalance and enter again the rebalance, or is it gonna be a pullback in here and it's gonna continue with acceptance? You know what I mean? Because it's a different thing, right? So that will be the problem to have. Let me just take out. Sorry. Okay, that will be the analysis. It's not an easy thing to catch. I mean, I really think it's gonna be a rejection. So it's gonna be a rejection, whether we like it or not. It's gonna be a rejection here. The problem will be if it's gonna be a full rejection or just a continuation later. But rejection, there's gonna be rejection. That's obvious. That's why I'm gonna wait. I mean, I don't have all data. I don't have all data. And the setup is looking for this. So I'm gonna put the DSTB here just to make sure later. But I still do not know what is going to happen. I will be looking for rejection, but I'm still gonna wait. I'm gonna wait on price, what it's gonna do. So, and as well, I'm doing this on a project. I mean, it's final weeks. I got pretty much a lot of exams. So, okay. Okay, let me see what's happening. Hey, nobody's watching, people. I gotta do better than that. Okay. Well, the truth is, who's this? Okay. Lord Success, bro, I'm sick. So I get a dip. Your stream is fire though. Catch you next time. I drop a follow already. Add me on Discord, Lord DS STV2. Okay. I don't know if you're a bot or not. I'm gonna assume. I mean, doesn't look like a bot. But thanks for the comment, I guess. God bless. Fired up. I'm gonna add you later, maybe Discord. Let me just fix things. I'm doing things. But thanks for watching, man. If you're trading and investing, is the channel is perfect for you. Okay, so it's actually rejecting. Yeah, it's rejecting. Okay. I'm still gonna wait. I'll still wait for that pullback again. And then to go up again. Because I've seen this. I've already seen this. Look at all these pullbacks. It's always the same. Makes the pullback and you keep going up later. I'm going to wait. If I was me in the past, I would taking this trade for low, and guess what? I would been taking out because it's just a pullback. It's gonna keep going up. You're gonna wait more, or not. It will just go down. But for me, I still need more. I know it's gonna be a rejection. It would trade the CRTL. Okay, traded. It will be trading discount now, going for discount. I'm going to wait and I'm going to let it long last. It's actually a good trade here, man. I mean, if I trade this, yeah, bullish. Perfect equilibrium, going for. It's actually a good trade. This could have been a good trade. Very good trade, actually. Look at all these movements. It would have been good. Guess I'm just gonna drop the limit sell limit, and I'm going to wait for here one. But I'm going to wait. I don't see. Yes, I told you it was just a pullback. I'm waiting to see how much price is gonna get up to. It's an acceptance. He'll get up here. So look at this gap, man. It's just look all this unfilled orders. It's gonna be unfilled orders. It doesn't mean there's no orders. It just means that price is gonna get back to those because it's very interesting to sell or even to buy. In this context, to sell because it's actually high. wait for a pullback, and then going down again. And that will be my definitive short. Good with the update. It's very good. So now you don't have to mess up. This will be everything. Good. It will mess setup. I'm going to wait. I mean, I still don't have all confirmation about this setup. Price, sorry. I need more, you know. I need more because yeah, this is an accept. This is a rejection, yes. But I'm still waiting for price to even go more, you know. Okay, good. Good. I told you it was just a pullback. You don't listen to me. When you got experience in this, when you know data, it's good. Okay. I'm going to wait because this is gonna be. So actually, where a good price to sell will be around this level. Okay? Take out this one, have it around here. This is a good setup. Good entry. It's just pushing a little bit. Okay. I'm going to wait because before 4, you know, price is starting to move more, to react more on price, the markets, because traders are entering now. I'm still gonna wait. And our price is gonna get here. I mean, it is going to get. I mean, to see, created this one, respected it, and went down to equilibrium again, and then went to get it. Most of the times, what happens is, again with AMT, okay, with bottom profile, what happens is, okay, you take the high, okay, with the CRT as well, take the high. Normally there will be a rejection. There's a rejection. If not, it's an acceptance. Well, if there's an acceptance, an imbalance, and rebalance, creating a new balance. In case of rejection, it goes for discount. In the equilibrium and the CRTL, it goes to liquidate them. The volume area low. If it's in volume area high, okay, inside of the range. There's gonna be another pullback. Just wait for it. It's gonna drop a little bit, making you think, okay, now it is actually time to sell. No, it's a pullback. Wait. You need more confirmation. And for more confirmation for me, it will be to take all these highs and see how price gets up. And then based on that, I could enter maybe a short or maybe a buy, but I want to trade acceptance to them. For me, the setup I want is rejectance. Now price is actually resisting. This is a good sign because price is failing to make a new high, resisting. Because what? Price is very high. It's 8.2, 482, 820. It's a good price to sell. So wait again. It's gonna make again. This is a new range. If price enters into this accumulation state after the imbalance, creating a new what? New balance, and going then back to the rebalance. That's what happens. Balance again, going back to rebalance. Okay, I'm gonna wait more for my confirmation to accumulate and then manipulate a little bit and then going down. I'm going to wait for that. Okay, so I was just making a website. That's it. Yeah, that's what I want to tell you. I'm making a lot of projects. So that's a good thing. And people, you're going to love it. The next project I'm making. Okay, of course. Look at this, beautiful. Okay, I still need more data from this one. And price is not moving. Wow. Okay. Yeah, actually price is rejecting. Maybe I just missed my entry. Well, then I was right. Simple as that. I was just right. You know, I'm going to wait the same thing because now we're new balance, new balance. Price is now rejecting a little bit, making the ping pong state accumulation. That's what we call, markets, the financial markets. Because guess what? It needs more traders. The thing is there's volume in here because price has no clear direction, has no clear bias. There's a lot of traders actually coming in, but still needs more, you know. Um, I am going to wait actually. I need again a pullback, take out this low, this highs, and just see what it's going to do. Normally this movement will be at 4, you know, price goes very wild on 3 p.m. Comes 4, happens the rejection or acceptance, happens acceptance, let's say an example, goes for the accumulation and then goes back into rejection, going back to the old balance. That's actually what happens every single day. Only a few days happens really at acceptance and creates a new balance, rebalance. Most of the time, sorry, apologies. Most of the times, it creates a new balance. Cause you see it, there is no clear direction, man. What's this, bruv? What's this, bruv? Look at this. Accumulation after accumulation. There's nothing happening here. Actually, there's nothing. So I don't know. I'm still making a website. Okay, BWAP. Let me see that. Okay. Okay, let me see that order flow. Very good. Ask bids. Good. Analysis. How's it looking? Good. Good. Trading bots. Good. Very good, actually. Very, very good. Okay. So it's actually looking good, and I have to study for the exam. I mean, the only exam I want, you know what it is to pass an eval. That paper alone, that 100K pass, I think it will be more worth it than a degree. Literally. You can do more with 100K, 50K, 25K, 5K, 10K, 15K eval and get the payout, recurrent payout, than a degree. If you got both, great. I mean, the thing is, actually key when you trade prop firms would it be to copy trade in terms of having different accounts and using a software that allows you to trade with multiple accounts like TradeSync. I will bring you when I buy my funded. I think I will buy more than one and maybe copy trading them. I don't know what's going to happen. That would be great to show you truly how to also pass an eval. And I've been trading evals as well, so I just don't trade live. Live is to grow your capital and as well to take out your fears, because for me, trading evals is still not the same as trading live. You can make as much money in live, that's for sure. Of course, with a limited thing, because at the end you don't get 100 profit, and you're still limited if you burn it or if you burn the account. Well, that's it. You have to buy a new one, pass again, and repeat the same. Rinse and repeat. But it's actually a cheat code. Problems are cheat code, man. You can just buy one, buy a couple of it, buy a couple of it. Maybe 5 accounts of 50K. Have a good risk. Of course, be profitable at the same time, because at the end you need to still be profitable to make payouts. And once you make payout, man, it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good, man. But still, for me, what I recommend you is also have a live account. Nobody trades on demo nowadays. Nobody's trading demo account. Demo account already is a prop firm, and you can still make money from it. But at the end, a prop firm, okay, funded, is still demo. It's not real trading because it's not real money actually. You can make money of it. That's true. You can make real money, but it's not real. It's not you. It's not yours. And what the difference with live is there's no rules. You can trade news if you want. You can scalp if you want. You can make more than 100 profit and keep it for you. But of course, trade prop from trade funded and trade live. Those would be the good things. And as well, invest. If you could do all these three, man, you'll be dominating. Yeah, I told you again, it's in a ping pong state. It's gonna be like this for a while until four. Four, it's gonna be either it's gonna make an acceptance and finally make a good acceptance and then wait again and drop, or it's just gonna drop finally and miss my trade. I wanna be surprised, but at the same time watching this. Yeah, you could trade this and say, okay, I traded this, but you know I don't because I wait. Now it looks like it's finally going for the acceptance that it failed to surpass. Okay, so people, just to promote myself or my business as well, my agency, if you want someone to make a website, okay, I can make it. I can make design. Yeah, the thing is, I have an account where I show the different projects I make, not just, but different things. So I'm gonna show you that. I'm gonna show you different website I made. Actually, the website I did for trading my journal is actually made by me, not just the website itself, but the journal itself. So it'll be a good thing. From the front end and back end, at the end, I do code. I'm a programmer, I'm a developer. I can do that. I made my own bots. And the next project, which I'm not telling you yet, but it will be a good thing. That's the only thing I can say. And you'll have a video soon, maybe this week, next week, but you'll have the project or the software that I built that you could use. Okay. Price chopped. Man, it's disgusting to see this. Waiting here, my ass stick to the chair, watching all. This is a good trade. If I traded this, if I wasn't eating or resting, I would have traded this perfectly. This, nah. I mean, at the end, it's Monday. You're gonna blame someone. You're gonna blame no one. It's Monday. Monday usually are days you don't trade, as long with Fridays. Mondays and Fridays are just days don't trade. The problem is, I don't think I can wait for 4 days of not trading. It's just too complicated for me. You're not trading. As an example, you don't trade Friday. You're not trading Saturday. You're not trading Sunday. And you're not trading Monday. That's 4 days of no trading. I don't think none of us could resist that. Nah, man. If I'm tweaking when I'm not trading, if I'm tweaking while I'm trading and I lose, imagine if I'm not. I'm not saying addicted to the charts, but you're gonna hustle, you're gonna grind, you're gonna make the green, you're gonna make money. But I do not love money. That's the thing. Price is very it's not doing something good. Look at this, is failing actually to get even this high, and we're close to 4. Normally, typically at before the last 10 minutes, 15 to 10 minutes before an hour passes, well, in this case before 4, it actually goes up and moves a little bit more in the previous minutes. When you are close to 4, more people are coming in. They see our charts, they see the markets, and say, okay, how is it this pair, in this case gold, is moving? And they say, okay, so gold is moving very high. They also need to watch around the world what happened in World War III. Sorry, not yet. Trump and Iran, with the Hormuz deal, and you need to be careful with that because gold is literally. There's gold, of course, and oil, but gold as well. It is related. So, with the Middle East, with Africa, with all these exportations, precious metals, so it's actually related. That's why DAP this morning Look at this, all this dump. Look at this dump, and look at this movement. And now look at this. Don't trade this. Actually, no. You could trade. I could trade this. I mean, it's equilibrium. Yeah, perfect equilibrium. And so I'm still gonna wait for that final acceptance. And once that happens, I think it will maybe not hit my limit because it could take me out easily, but enter from a long, and you know, I'm going to wait to see what's going to happen. Um, you know what? I'm going to hit it. I'm going to accept that in, and that's it. The price is moving down. I think it's gonna pull back again, or it couldn't be. No, I think it is. Sorry, people. I just want to sleep. But guess what? You don't get your goals and missions by sleeping. So get up from the bed and start hustling. That's why I'm here every single day. That's why I build the softwares, people. Because the market does not reward those who are lazy. Success rewards those who are willing to put in the work, put in the hour. Okay? Okay. It's looking good. Go for the accumulation. I will wait for a manipulation to the upside because price is actually telling you, okay, it's failing to go above higher, so it's more probable to go down after all this rally of this movement, after all these long and buy long positions, you know, all the people bought here. I mean, it's starting to drop. It's actually starting to drop. But still, what it's telling me, okay, it's telling me a lot of things actually. Look at this. If you go into high time frames, it looks like a pullback, but at the same time, after getting sweep, I just can't, you know. Okay, price going up. Okay. Okay, it's pushing, still pushing. Going to be 30 minutes already in stream. Okay. Yeah, 30 minutes. Okay, finally push a little bit, and then it's just to push for it to not even get past this high. What an accumulation is this, man? I mean, you got imbalance, rebalance again, and again rebalance, and making and rebalance, but it will not create a new balance, but it will go back to the old balance, or just an acceptance and then imbalance and create a new balance here, rebalancing. Those are the two case scenarios, or it could just accumulate again. I mean, it's Monday, so don't have hopes. Okay, don't really have hopes today in terms of, well, it's Monday. Mondays usually not days to that are optimal for trading or to enter into markets. You can hop in a little bit and just see how it's moving, and but the most probable thing to happen is that you will not find a setup. There's no order block. This is just a fair value gap actually. So that's what I'm saying. Why is it red, man? It should be red. Okay, but still there's no order block, and this is a 30 minutes fair value gap, bearish fair value gap, bullish. Sorry. Oh, I'm really sleepy, man. Although I sleep very well today, so come on. Okay, building a website. Okay, override this one. I'm gonna create a new project. Literally, people, you have something in mind and you want to build a project yourself, and you need someone to make your website. I can perfectly make it for you, man. I will be happy, very happy to help you build your projects the same way I'm building my own. And it's good to have someone that supports you actually. I mean, if you grind and you're alone, when you have the reward, it will be a great thing. But still, it's good to have someone besides you. But that's not always the case. That's the thing. I don't think price is gonna get up here, man. It's failing to get this, so I don't know. I'm gonna wait. Now it's moving very okay. Maybe this is it. Maybe I should put it here. Maybe. Let's see what's going to happen. 4. Look at this. It's not getting below this. Okay. Let's see how it plays. It's going down finally. This could be it. I mean, it would be okay. It's looking like this. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah, this was the moment I told you, people. After the acceptance, rejectance happens, accumulation, and just goes down and down and down. This was actually, but I didn't. I mean, who would have known, right? It's gonna be it. I thought price was still gonna go up a little bit, and then just straight down. Okay, good. Still feels good knowing that it was actually gonna go down, but still, even though you see this, people really don't enter here, man. If you just miss a setup, do not even dare to enter on this price. You're gonna get stopped out. Like just Friday, because I don't wanna miss out. What you miss out? You could hop in and nothing will happen, but I'm not, because it's not part of my plan. And if it's not, well, it's actually part of my setup. But if it doesn't go up a little bit, I will not trade this. I mean, you can wait for a pullback, you know, a good pullback. But I just don't see why I would enter from this. Now it's going down, really going down. How many ticks are this? Let me see. Hold up. Okay. Okay, not bad. Not that bad actually. In a few minutes. Oh, if you were to have a short TP, a low TP actually, it would have been good for you. Now price is not coming back into this level. It is not coming back. It's closer to this equilibrium, and then it will go to this place, liquidate everything. But it's not going back. That's it. You missed it. That's it. But it's not going back. It is not, people. It is not. Actually, but the thing is actually going well. Continuation. You know, this imbalance. There's actually no resistance for the buyers. If I was in the past, I would enter this and I would enter here and I would got stopped out. Now it's not. I'm not going back. But it's curious, you know. Okay. Boom. That's it. That was what I was saying. And then goes back again. But look how price is moving, man. Very laggy. Not fluent, not smooth. So it's actually a good thing. No, actually a bad thing, sorry. Wow. It's going down, it's going down, it's going down. Okay, it's actually resisting now. Let's see if price is gonna push a little bit and then go down. That's what happens usually. You know, it makes a pullback, thinking you're gonna step out, oops, but doesn't. Like this one. If you were to enter here, you will see this candle go down. It's like, okay, I'm not gonna get stopped out. But no, just a pullback. The same thing here. I'm gonna wait a little bit. Maybe there's a chance, but it's very complicated. Just by seeing this, you know, it's very complicated for price to go up here and then just drop. I don't see it. You know, I don't see it. Maybe an accumulation here and you could enter, but I just don't, man. Okay, it's going up a little bit. It's accumulation already. Okay, it's going up. That's a good thing. I'm gonna wait for this. Maybe this could be the level. I'm gonna make the new one. This is actually not a bad thing because you're trading for the pullback. Okay, it's going, it's going. Oh, for a little bit. Okay. mean, if we have entered here, most people have already trailed, but you know, others they don't. Still resisting. I'm gonna see how it plays. Okay, like this mosquito. Okay, so it's going up more. It's not gonna touch it. It's actually a good pullback. And if I would trail to stop this, I would got out because for sure I would have been trail stopping this level, and I would get got up. And look at what it is. That's a risk to take with trail stop. At the same time, you should get profit. But you trail stop after I don't know a certain level. You just don't trail stop after you see it a little bit on top of break even. I mean, we're gonna what to make 5? No, man. Wait a little bit. Okay, this is my brother actually. If you're gonna see, I'm actually streaming. If you wanna jump in, okay. Ayo, follow us and chatters be your own selected usernames. Who are these, dude? Fastest IO kick bot panel. You give usernames, we create accounts, and send viewers, followers, and chatters look at my username. Own kick. Okay, these are bots from kick actually. Yeah. Another bot. Hey. Who are this? Oh, Cassie. Who is this one? Cassie, yo. Yo. Yeah, ask me a question, man. Ask anything you want. These are the questions I like to answer people. Yeah, have something to, you know, to learn. Be free. Okay, this is actually what we want. Shout out to Cassie and Laura Success. Very good, actually. Okay, we might close and thank you. Okay, always ask questions, right? I'm gonna pin you. Yeah, ask a question, man. Even if you're into trading, that's a good thing to I don't care if you're a bot. I mean, if you have a question to ask, just ask it, man. You can learn a lot from trading, literally. You can trade a lot of things from people that are trading. The thing is, I have friends and actually family that trade, so I'm constantly asking them to get better, you know, because they have more experience than I do, and they make more money than I did. So it's actually a good thing to ask them. I made money trading. Okay, I just missed the entry again, man. It's okay. It's okay. Simple. Just a tiny bit. Look at this. Nothing is too small. Okay? It's actually good. It's a good thing. Don't worry. Don't worry. It is what it is. Now it's gonna accumulate a little bit, even pull back. I'm gonna pull back a little bit, and then it's just gonna continue down. I'm gonna drop a little bit. Yeah. Okay, so ask me questions. Do not be frightened or be scared to ask. That's actually how you achieve things, by asking people who they are in the position or have things that you want to achieve. That's what I do, man. Because I'm gonna go for software. Just type in the question you have to ask, and that's it. Don't worry about it. Okay, so I just missed my entry twice. It's no problem actually, because I just knew it would happen. A pullback, you know, you play, then a pullback happens, and then you have an opportunity to sell, but I didn't because I placed it a little bit more further, you know, but it is what it is. It's okay, man. It's okay. Things happen. Now, if I have to trail stop, I would absolutely trail my stop here on this level. because I just know it's gonna keep going down. And then I will trail it and trail it and trail it. And that's it. Yeah, I will trade here maybe on this level already. It's gonna keep down now. See, it's always the same thing. It's gonna, then it goes down. You guys trail a little bit. That's why you don't touch the trade, and then boom, TP. Maybe a little bit pullback now. Again, a little pullback. But I don't think seeing the price how it's moving, I don't see it doing more. I mean, if you enter from this, it's actually complicated to spot this one. But maybe from this one, it's actually been good, or this one, or even this one. So you can say actually you have many chances to do it. But you know, I thought price was going to do a more acceptance, not just this one, this level. I really thought, okay, maybe price is going to get up to this. That's why I was waiting. And I have my limit, my first limit sell limit here. But it's actually good because I just, you know, the bias is actually good. I just knew price was going down. Did good. So, that's it. Now it's going to keep going down. Here's what it is. Okay, so no trade for today. It's not a bad thing. It literally is not a bad thing. Things like this happen. So gonna build a software as well. Just gonna wait. Okay. Oh wait, I'm actually gonna open this one. I'll enter from that. Okay. It's pushing now a little bit. Maybe I could enter from something. Not this one, maybe this tiny one. And have my stop loss on this level. Okay, this could be the final one if price wants. Okay, hit. I don't know why there's. Oh, sorry for the sound. Okay. Maybe it was to, you know, push. Yeah. Beautiful. Yeah. Beautiful. Oh, dude. I should have waited, man. Could touch it. It is what it is. Okay, so I thought it was gonna drop a little bit more. Okay, so yeah. Even still, it's not enough. Okay. own kick, the same thing. High quality viewers. Okay, this is a bot actually again. To buy viewers. I don't buy bots, but I already talked about this topic before. I'm not against people who have bots. It's actually a good thing, you know, to get people to watch you. Them because they say, oh, this person has X followers, big amount of followers. So actually, it's very good. That's actually how you get popularity. Of course, when time passes, you need to learn to okay, how much I'm in. Okay, 21. I didn't lose much actually. You need to learn that once you get bigger followers, you need to stop using bots because people would know that, would notice it, and you're gonna be, you know, it's just you can use bots when you start or when you have few, a little, only, you know, a little community, a few followers. But once you keep expanding that, once you keep scaling, you need to stop having bots because people would like to see other people following you because it would just be genuine, you know. So stopped out. The reason why is maybe I was anticipated this one. I really think that from here I will get more, but I mean, yeah, I should have waited. Even this level, I should have waited here, not here because this is a good point. It's gonna keep dropping down, but price is actually resisting to go down, but it has more structure. You see, it was clear. Yes, it has some pullbacks, but this is different. This accumulation, price dropping down, makes a big pullback, keeps dropping down, and our big pullback actually accumulates, and it still could go up. But I thought it was gonna go to equilibrium, to half level. I really thought it was gonna get to that level, but it's okay. I mean, loss is not that much because I follow my rules. I did what I'm supposed to do. Very good still. No need to, you know, it's different. And the good thing is, I'm not even sad nor mad. It's just chill, relax. It's part of it. It's part of progress. But of course, it's still a loss. But you know, it's better to have a loss and directly um, take it and accept it than make a drama. You know, make a lot of noise. So this I'm gonna journal, gonna backtest. Sorry, journal, not backtest. Journal. Okay. So yeah, I think price is gonna get up still. It's gonna take all this. Surprised actually. Guess that I'm 21. I need to do better than that. Still a good thing. I'm gonna keep doing more softwares and upload videos to my own account within the softwares and study. That's what I have to do. So I don't know why I'm not able to. Okay, so I'm gonna let it play a little bit to see what price is gonna do. No, I don't think it's gonna keep going down. Maybe it's just, you know. Mm-hmm. I don't know why it's going slow, but no. Okay, went up. Wow. So yeah, it's going up. This was actually That's what I told you an answer from this. Stop out. Okay. Well, not a bad day. I literally predicted. I just knew. I predicted. You know, I was gonna go down, but didn't take the entry here. Just I was waiting for more confirmation, and I ended up taking a limit here. So I thought price was gonna go make a pullback, but it's just seeing that after this, price is willing to make an imbalance, go to the rebalance again, and maybe create a new balance by imbalancing again. That will be everything, people. Sucks to have a new loss, but hey, it's on me, of course. No problem. Keep going. Another day. Tomorrow's gonna be another day of trade. But tomorrow is tomorrow is going to be Tuesday, which means I have to that's true. Okay, price is still going up. Tomorrow I cannot trade at 4 because I have to go to work. That's the thing. I have to trade 3 p.m. So I have to be quick tomorrow. Okay, people, that will be everything. Thanks for watching again. You people are making this possible. So I'll see you tomorrow. I will upload again the video on YouTube, so don't worry about it. All the streams you can just watch it on YouTube. This is actually what I'm doing. I post and as well you can see my streams on Kick, YouTube as well, because I make the streams there, and Twitch, and you can see recaps on my social media. So thank you, people. Fire out. Remember, if you want a flame, just place this out.